Naguulat mula sa shore na kasing pretty ko.
Bringing you the latest and greatest.
And diving deep into the cool waters
of BLs and GLs.
And every kind of love there is.
We are the Shippers.
Sail with us as we watch our favorite queer love stories.
And update you about the latest every week.
Kaya tara, sakay na as we sail the open seas.
With new episodes Mondays and Wednesdays on all major podcast streaming platforms.
Sakay na you. Let's go.
The views, takes and opinions expressed on this show are of the host's own and do not represent the views, takes and opinions of the Bunk Collective and its affiliates. Material and sources mentioned in this episode is for general and commentary purposes only. This episode might include strong language and may not be suitable for children. Listener discretion is advised. Stay safe and stay wrestle everyone. Welcome to the main event, Mark. Views, takes and opinions expressed on this show are of the host's own and do not represent the views, takes and opinions of the Bunk Collective and its affiliates. Material and sources mentioned in this episode is for general and commentary purposes only. This episode might include strong language and may not be suitable for children. Listener discretion is advised. Stay safe and stay wrestle everyone. Welcome to the main event, Mark.
Check. Today's episode of the main event part, and the Bomb Collective, we saddened to learn that the father of Roman Reigns, one half of one of the greatest stables or tag teams of all time, Sika Anubai, passed away earlier this week. Everyone was shocked on this news. Everyone really loves Sika, especially with his role. Personally, hindi ko na nakaputan si Sika on his role in WWE, but we really love him as tag team. As much as we want to go back, watch some WWE content of Sika, kaso Disney Plus as usual, ruining everything, so wala tayong mapapanood na content related to Sika. But in behalf of everyone here on the Bunk Collective and on the main event part, we are giving our condolences to the family, to the fans, and to everyone who is supporting Sika and Dubai. May you rest in peace. Welcome to the main event podcast. Hello. Welcome to the Main Event Park podcast. Again, my name is Angelo Pinera here. And yeah, we're going to have another live. Wala nga lang akong check ngayon, itong mic na to, dito lang yan, naka-forma lang yan. Kasi gusto ko lang andyan yung mic ko. But wala na talaga akong tech. So, as you may know, nawalan ako ng tech. Nawala yung ano ko, nasira yung beat ko. Kaya wala kayong naririnig na laugh track ngayon. Wala na rin kayo maririnig yun sa ngayon. Pero everything will be fine. Pagpasensyahan nyo nila ng konti yung background ko. We have some technical issues then regarding on how we should fix StreamYard to YouTube. But luckily, I fixed it already. And yeah, itong live ba to, I am only using earphones on this. So I hope everyone will be used to it for now hanggang makabila ako ng bagong tech. And then, pag nagamit ko yun, siya, meron na ulit akong microphone na magagamit. I can use this mic. And yeah, everyone will enjoy on this program. Ayun, sa ngayon, like what I said on the kickoff show, we are giving our tribute then kay Sika Dawai nga, the father of Roman Reigns. And sobrang sakit to para sa Dawai family, especially with them having this current storyline on the bloodline. And kinda sakit din for the current bloodline kasi they are building this legacy, building this current storyline. We'll talk about some of it later. But yeah, basically, sobrang sakit itong storyline na ito. I hope this won't affect everyone or anything, the current bloodline storyline. And we can get a better outcome of this because baka magalit na si Sika regarding all that. Again, on behalf of the Punk Collective, we are giving our condolences to the family of Sika. And we love you. But for the meantime, let's do some announcements here on the main event part. So as of right now, the main event part is now part of the PWPH Wrestling Network. As ito po yung flagship podcast network ng PWPH Podcast. And the PWPH Podcast is also be part of that network. Main event part will remain on the Bomb Collective for now. And also expect some stuff tomorrow as well, as we are going to have some announcements regarding on the podcast, regarding that changes dito po sa podcast and stuff. So expect some announcements regarding on that matter as well. Pero sa ngayon, again, welcome to the main event mark. My name is Angelo Penera here. And as always, iniimbitahan namin kayo na mag-follow and support, subscribe sa main event mark sa lahat ng podcast platforms and on the podcast app and also YouTube, youtube.com/MEMWrestlingPod. And isa pa, you can also support us on Patreon, patreon.com/MEMWrestlingPod. And yun nga, gaya ng lagi ko sinasabi dito, you can support the main event by listening and watching on YouTube and on Spotify itself. That will be appreciated for everyone. And yeah, that will be great for me. Also, ito na, you can support also our friends from World Underground Wrestling. Malapit na yung event nila July 7 na sa Frontier Busan. They have World Underground Wrestling Tagay na. Like what I said, will take place on July 7, which is next week now. And then the main event is TZK versus Hypo in a tag team tornado. No disqualification match for the World Underground Wrestling tag team titles. And tickets are still available as we speak. Janad is now sold out. The VIP, Barkada, and Barkada GA, Barkada VIP and VIP are still available on their platforms. You can visit World Underground Wrestling for more details. Also, you can support the Bong Collective on all of the social media platforms at the Bong PH, kagaya palagi na sinasabi ko. And also, you can support us on the PWPH podcast every other Wednesdays, exclusively on Spotify and on the main event mark YouTube channel. Also, in-acknowledge na lang natin to officially, Blast TV Blast TV is now here in the Philippines. So tagal na rin to actually. We're plugging this for a while na. So you can catch Raw, SmackDown, and NXT live on Tap Sports on the time slots that you can see on the screen. And you can use actually the code, actually free to for Globe Converge subscribers. And then if you are going to create a new account of Blast TV, you can actually use a code. I'm going to share this with you on live para wala kayo mamiss. So, you can visit the website promo.blasttv.ph/akadsbreak. And then you can use the code break na tayo, that's all caps, and you will get 3 months of no ads sa Blast TV. Again, that's Blast TV, the exclusive home of the WWE. Also, you can also catch UFC 303 Pereira versus one kalaban rin. Kalimutan ko. Basta naman, UFC 303 tomorrow. Pay-per-view na lang siya. Hindi na siya mapapanood sa Premier Sports. Pero, yan. That's going to be a fun pay-per-view. Wala rin naman si McNuggets, so we're not gonna shit about it. Karon, last thing to plug here on the show next week on the PWPH podcast. We are going to have 2 episodes in the coming weeks. So number 1 will be a Tony Khan episode as we discussed on the podcast then on. We discussed that a lot. Sorry sa language ng photos but we have to share that with you. And then on next week after that, after Forbidden Door, Money in the Bank weekend, we are going to release a bonus episode giving our impressions on the Wyatt 6 and how Wyatt 6 is going to be evolved going forward on that. You can catch it exclusively on Spotify and on the Main Event Market YouTube channel. So, yun na lang muna ang ating this week. Let's talk about wrestling na. So, let's start with SmackDown. So, SmackDown this week is basically confirming that Paul Heyman is not part of Solo Sikoa's bloodline. It's been made official that Solo Sikoa is now the tribal chief. Roman Reigns is coming back anytime soon. And then we are getting this storyline between Roman's bloodline and Solo's bloodline. We're definitely getting that anytime soon. And then Paul Heyman sealing the deal. He is now quitting Solo's bloodline, and we can expect that he will join the OG bloodline of Roman Reigns and possibly the Usos. But the Usos has to deal with their respective feuds for now. Si Jimmy is still on leave of absence. Si Jimmy still on leave of absence. Si Jay is on a mission to win Money in the Bank. Pero yeah, that's a very interesting development to watch over on SmackDown, and we got this ending credits like this. So it's really interesting. It's really fun. Bloodline taking over SmackDown, something that we should look forward to, and we should look forward then for the next few months. This is Anybody's Where. Okay, so that's it. Now on SmackDown, Tiffany Stratton also qualified for Money in the Bank, defeating Jade Cargill and Candice LeRae. And also LA Knight also qualified to the Men's Money in the Bank ladder match, beating Logan Paul and Santos Escobar, and also he pinned Logan Paul for the win, and that secures him a title shot anytime soon. So we can expect a match between Logan Paul and Sosiko White. So that's it for SmackDown right now. We don't really have things to talk about on SmackDown. But eto, very interesting to hear. No? So on the Raw, let's go to Raw. We have this storyline dito medyo umikot yung buong gabi natin with Liv Morgan trying to flirt Dominic Mysterio. Dom is still disappointed on Liv. Liv thinks that umuon na si Dom, napaikot niya na si Dom. Pero Dom is still pakipot. Pakipot pa rin si Dom at this point. And we don't know yet what will happen next on this love team between Dom and Liv Morgan. Plus also, the Judgment Day, Finn Balor and JD McDonough defeated the Awesome Group to win back the WWE World Tag Team titles. To see that. As much as I love R-Truth and The Miz, but at this point they are just goofy guys. It really works really well on the show. Also, developments pa, so Lyra Valkyria qualified herself to the Women's Money in the Bank ladder match. And wala akong lineup. Siguro next week natin pag-usapan. Yeah. So, we will stick with WWE. Ito, medyo interesting to. So, we will talk about this deeper on the PWPH podcast after this week. And also on an episode here, probably later on as well. Pero, why is it? It's really interesting right now. They're still using VHS CDs. They're actually very interesting, no, sa Y6. And this is something very interesting then. Kasi even though na this is the storyline na we have to look forward, this is storyline that I can assure you everyone should keep an eye with. Pero I really swear to God, this is a story that everyone needs to watch. And yes, ito po yung ating sinansalan si Dory. Pero, puta na, I really love that recording with Julian and Christian. Yeah, I really love those. Yeah. So, aside from that, basically, on this big net that they released, Wyndham or what they call this, Uncle Howdy basically exposed himself. That's basically the story. I know we will talk about that more in the BWPH podcast. You should keep an eye on the episode next week, exclusively on Spotify and on Main Event Marketing Chat. And here on the Main Event, we'll talk about that in the couple of weeks. So, we will talk about NXT. So, NXT is not really deep. Mamaya na pag-usapan yan si Shane. So, let's talk about NXT muna. So, Lola Vice stole the NXT Women's Championship from Roxanne Perez earlier this week. And yeah, that was a really good fun segment between those two. Tony D'Angelo defeated Dana Fraser this week on NXT as well. Wala namang ibang kailangan look forward to personally. But other than that, that should be a really good NXT gateway. We are going to discuss that in a couple of weeks from now. So, you can expect a big show next week here on the Main Event, and it should be fun as well here on the show. More on that next week. So, Josh Barnett just announced that Shayna Baszler is returning to Bloodsport. So yes, you heard that from Josh Barnett himself, that Shayna Baszler is returning to Bloodsport. And it's really interesting din na kita ano nga ba ang mangyayari sa Bloodsport. And I hope we can see her own something like maybe fucking maybe like something like a Masha Slamovich. That would be great for me. And regardless, we we can wait to see more of Shayna on this type of matches specifically. So, yun lang muna. Then, over on TNA, we had some few matches that was announced over this weekend. So, Slammiversary is on July 21. That's Sunday. It's a TNA World Championship match. Six-way, dalawa pa yun dahil kailangan i-fill. So, Josh Alexander, Nick Nemeth, and Steve Macklin qualified already on the match. There will be 2 more spots that will be filled next week on TNA Impact Challenge Moves for the TNA World Championship. Also announced this match. This is going to be a banger for sure. It's going to be a banger. Mustafa Ali versus Mike Bailey Speed 1 for the X Division title. And also Jordan Grace versus Ashley Elegance. I swear this is going to be a banger for sure. This is something that I should look forward to in the next couple of weeks over at TNA Impact. And Ashley Elegance, you can see her evolving and improving. So she definitely deserves a match on caliber on an opponent like Jordan Grace. And I'm really looking forward to see more of that in the coming weeks, especially with someone like Ashley Elegance or Dana Brooke. Pero yun, that should be it for now. We will talk about more in the coming weeks. For the meantime, we will talk about AEW Forbidden Door on the next half of the show. And it will be dedicated to that specific show. We will talk about more on the next episodes of the show. Pag-usapan natin Clash at the Castle with Judith Review. Talk about that. We'll talk about Wild 6, NXT, SmackDown, NXT Review on the next episode of the show. For now, we're going to take a short break. We'll talk about Forbidden Door, which will take place Sunday, Monday, Manila time. And yeah, that should be a fun event that we should look forward to. But for the meantime, we're going to take a short break. Let's check our couple pages on our AEW Forbidden Door is coming this Sunday, Monday, Manila time, live from Long Island, New York, exclusively on Thriller TV in the United States and on Bleacher Report in the United States and Thriller TV around the world. By the way, welcome back to the Main Event Mark podcast. Again, my name is Angelo Pinera here. And yeah, let's do our predictions for this year's AEW Forbidden Door. This should be a banger show that we're going to have this Sunday. So let's start with the first match. MJF versus Hechicero. MJF versus Hechicero. Sorry, I have to keep myself here. So MJF versus Hechicero. This is obviously an MJF win. Let's face it. Then we have Orange Cassidy versus Zack Sabre Jr. We should actually expect Zack Sabre Jr. Winning this match actually, but I don't really have any issues if he doesn't win. But yeah, then we have the Elite versus the Acclaimed, Hiroshi Tanahashi and the Acclaimed. Yeah. So we should actually see the Elite winning. Kasi kung sila manalo, walang sense na. I'm going to say that very prominently. Then we have Bryan Danielson versus Shingo Takagi. Shingo Takagi for the Owen Hart Tournament quarterfinals. And this is the Bryan Danielson last pick. So we have the TNT Championship ladder match. El Fantasmo, Jack Perry, Mark Briscoe, Konosuke Takeshita Leo Rush and Darlington Martin. And yes po, narinig nyo, El Fantasmo won the final match for the AEW TNT title ladder match. And I think this should be a Jack Perry win. Kung hindi naman si Jack Perry yung manalo, it should be Mark Briscoe. But I think this more on Jack Perry win. Then, we have Tony Storm versus Mina Shirakawa. Hindi question dito kung sino yung mananalo because it's very given, it's Tony Storm. Pero ang tanong dapat dito, kanino nga ba sasama si Mariah May? This should be interesting. Pero I have to say, medyo nag-feeling ako. Okay. I think this should be a Mina Shirakawa win for Mariah May. But the title is given. Tony Storm is definitely winning the title, for sure. Then we have Jon Moxley versus Tetsuya Naito for the IWGP World Heavyweight title. This is obviously a win for Moxley. Pero if Naito wins, we're good. Then we have the title match, the TBS champion Mercedes Moné versus the New Japan Strong champion Stephanie Bakir. Ano man pangalan niya, hindi ko sure kung tama ba yung pagka-discuss ko. For both titles, this should be a fun match, but I don't really expect anything about it. Pero yeah, it's very obvious. Mercedes Moné definitely won this match. Then main event, Swerve Strickland versus Will Ospreay for the AEW World title that Swerve Strickland has. Definitely, Swerve Strickland is winning this match. I'm really, really confident to say that Swerve Strickland is the one who should win the main event of Forbidden Door. So, friends, meron pa pala. Sorry guys. Saan yung isa pang set of cards for... Ayan. So, we have the 0 hour. 0 hour nga pala. So, yun. We have some 0 hour matches. We have LIJ versus Mystico and Lucha Brothers. This is definitely a must-win for LIJ. Tapos na nag-blabness hapon. But yeah, so we have Mariah May versus Saraya. I think Mariah May needs to win this. O baka manalo this Saraya. Then finally, we have Willow Nightingale versus Tam Nakano. Willow Nightingale and Tam Nakano versus Krista Thunder and Momo Watanabe. Not sure if I mentioned it correctly, but yeah, Momo Watanabe. The title match, I think it should be a win for Willow and Tam, but I don't think Krista Thunder will. Sorry guys. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about AEW Forbidden Door. You can catch the show exclusively on Trailer TV in the Philippines this Monday, 8 a.m. Manila time. And yeah, that would be great. That would be a fun event for everyone, and you should watch it exclusively on Trailer TV. So, my friends, that's it for today's episode of the Main Event Live. You should follow and support the Main Event on all of the social media platforms at MEM Wrestling Pod. Also, you can support Pro Wrestling Philippines Club on Facebook and on X at PWPH Select. And then you can join the biggest wrestling community and the Philippines Pro Wrestling Philippines Club over at Facebook, facebook.com/Pro Wrestling PH Club. Also, you can support the Bong Collective on all of the social media platforms at MEM Wrestling Pod and also at the Bong PH. Maraming salamat din sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Bong. All of these years, thank you very much for everyone who is supporting us. All of these years. And for the wrestling fans who's also fans of every Bang Collective show, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And yeah, magkakaalaman tayo. And yeah, that's it for today's live stream. And again, thank you very much again for tuning in. You can tune in next week on the main event podcast and also on all the social media platforms for the official announcements we're going to make. And aside from the main event part podcast moving to PWPH Wrestling Network, we're going to make more announcements later on this week. And yun, PWPH podcast, you should catch it on Spotify and on the Main Event Park YouTube channel. And that should be fun as well. For the meantime, in behalf of everyone here on the Bang Collective, my name is Angelo Pinara. Stay safe and stay raso. And we'll see you next week for yet another live stream and on another episode of our live stream this week. For now, bye for now, and see you next week.